Well, okay, welcome along to the Arcade 20p 2 credit RetroTech 100 challenge. The only time I'm doing YouTube lately. Although I am doing a cycling vlog at some point. Anyway, let's get on this. So this week is a Giga win, one of the Chris's selection. Yeah, I could practice and I'd get there. But I'm not going to win this week. I've seen what I'm up against. I've seen what my practice was like, and as much as I like this game, it's decent. Yeah, I'm not gonna put the time in. There's other games I'd rather spend my time on, or rather just giving myself as many credits as possible and finishing the game, which I might possibly do that as well. Anyway, okay, so 2 credits. Just get some sound in the house. Yeah, so it's a decent game, but it actually wasn't received well. Got a 54% on one magazine, 64, 70, all sorts. Also ported to the Dreamcast in 2000 because it came out in the arcades in 99. Basically when arcades were dying a death. Right, okay, so I think I'm gonna go with the winner's selection. The winner. Well, I can't see anyone beating it. Not even Andrew. So we'll see. Yeah, so, subscribe and hit the bell button and all that nonsense. I mean, to be honest, I'll only be posting these challenges every week, pretty much. Because I don't have time for much else. Right, skip. I don't really understand the system, but something to do with reflecting buttons or something. I don't know. Scores are fucking insane on this. Absolutely insane. Like billions, trillions. It's Dr. Evil would say. Yeah. Just insane amounts. You get bombs like most of these games. Get this reflection system thing. Yeah. Fucking hell. Ah, bollocks. See? Trying to do that fucking reflection thing. Everything that can go wrong will go wrong and has gone wrong. Ah, fuck me. Yeah, sorry about that malfunction there. This is not good. Right. See if I can actually get to the boss at least. Even if I'm not going to beat him. Yeah, let's use some fucking bombs. Is this the boss? Probably. Text. More text. Yeah, the story sounds interesting, but batshit crazy. Oh, thought that was the boss. Oh yeah, it is. Okay. It's further than I got in one of my practice runs, which was about a week ago, so yeah, blah blah blah. Sure, the story's captivating, but I mean, you're shooting ships and shit. I mean, more of a story is to have. Reflection. Ah, fuck. Ah, just had that. Ah, fuck. I am not getting used to this reflection thing. Ah, pissing. Press the wrong button. And that is me. That was short. Not particularly sweet. You know what I'd like to see? I'd like to see a puzzle game. We haven't had one of them for a while. Or something weird. Like some sort of weird puzzle porn game. And believe me, there is plenty on on MAME. Don't ask me how I know. Since the arcade's on, I'm going to do a list of all the games I've got on here. Because I've tried doing a list of the MAME games, and yeah, it's not copy and pasting. It's an absolute nightmare. There's probably loads of shit games, because basically anything that is anything is on this arcade, bar maybe a few games that can't handle. Operation Wolf isn't on here. But I've got that on MAME. So anyway, yeah, that was this week, and suffice to say, I'm not first, probably somewhere near last. Anyway, join the group. I'll link it in the description. We're always looking for new players, especially women, because to my knowledge, could be corrected on this, there's been no women taking part. And it'd be nice to get a bit of gender diversity in there. Anyway, be interesting to see what Andrew does, but other than that, that's me this week. Hoping for an interesting game next week. Adios.